Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the solution of the problem find maximum volume of a cuboid. So let us look at the problem statement. The problem statement says that you are given a perimeter and the area. Your task is to return the maximum volume that can be made in the form of cuboid from the given perimeter and surface area. Round off to 2 decimal places, and for the given parameters it is guaranteed that an answer always exists. So folks, in this question, area and perimeter of a cuboid is given to us. Now as we know, the perimeter of a cuboid is given by the equation 4 times length plus breadth plus height is equals to perimeter. Similarly, the area of a cuboid will be given by this equation. And as we know, the volume of the cuboid will be given by equation volume equals to LBH. So what we are going to do is, we are going to substitute the value of breadth into height from this equation. So from here, breadth into height can be rewritten as area divided by 2 minus LB plus BH. So let us substitute the value of breadth into height into volume. So volume becomes equals to L times area divided by 2 minus LB plus BH. Now let us proceed forward. So from here what we can do is volume equals to area times L by 2 minus L square B plus H. Now let us use the equation of perimeter in order to compute the value of breadth plus height. So breadth plus height from here can be rewritten as perimeter divided by 4 minus L. So in this way, volume will be equals to A times L divided by 2 minus L square perimeter by 4 minus L. And let us now rearrange our equation. So volume is equals to L cube minus PL square by 4 plus AL by 2. So this is the equation of volume. Now our objective is to maximize the volume. So in order to find the maxima, what we are going to do is we are going to differentiate volume with respect to length. So let us do that. So this becomes equals to 3L square minus PL by 2 plus A by 2. Now in order to find out the point at which the volume function becomes maximum, that can be found out by solving the quadratic equation 3L square PL by 2 plus A by 2 equals to 0. So let us rearrange this equation. So this becomes equals to 6L square minus PL plus A equals to 0. So let us apply quadratic equation formula, and the value of L will becomes equals to this. So we got two values of L over here, and in order to find out which value will give us the maxima, what we do is we differentiate this value one more time. So let us differentiate it one more time. So this becomes equals to d2v upon dl square, which will be equals to 6L minus P by 2. And now let us plug the value of L in this equation in order to see whether d2v upon dl square is positive or negative. So if we plug the first value, then the equation d2v upon dl square becomes equals to, so from here the value will be positive, and since the value will be positive, because of which this will give me the minima value. And if we plug the second value of L, then the value we will obtain is, so this is the value we will obtain, and since this value is negative, so this will give me maxima, because of which this value of L will give us the maxima value. So our equation of volume was LBH and L, and in order to maximize the value of volume, L we obtain is, so in order to get the maximum volume, we have to have length is equals to this much. Similarly, if we go ahead, repeat the same process, and we express the equation of volume in terms of base, and if we perform first and second order derivative on the volume function, we'll obtain the same value for base as well. So base also we will get it as P minus P square minus 24A divided by 12. As we know that 4 times of length plus breadth plus height is equals to perimeter. So because of which from here height will be equals to perimeter by 4 minus 2 times L. Now we have the equation for height, base and length with us. So this is the equation for height and these are the equation for length and breadth. So in order to solve this problem, what we need to do is we are going to compute length and breadth using this equation, and as you can see, this equation is only in terms of perimeter and area. And similarly, we can also go ahead and compute height, and towards the end we are going to perform LB into H, and then we are going to return that volume. So that's the discussion, folks. Now let us see how we have implemented this in Python. So length, as we have discussed, length will be given by this equation, and the value of length is also equals to base. So this is also equals to base. And the height, as we have discussed, will be equals to perimeter divided by 4 minus twice of length. And towards the end, we are computing volume, which will be equals to length into base into height. And this is what the volume will be. And towards the end, we are returning volume with a precision of 2 points after decimal. So that's the code, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our solution got accepted. That is all from this video, folks. In case if you have any question or comment regarding this video, please feel free to use the comment section and I'll try to address them. Thank you.